Before mac and cheese reaches American dinner tables, it begins with wheat fields, dairy farms, and food factories. This creamy bowl depends on grain processing, dairy science, pasta engineering, and packaging control.
The pasta part of mac and cheese starts as wheat growing in open fields.
The cheese flavor begins with milk from managed dairy farms. Factory equipment turns milled wheat into dry elbow macaroni. The cheese component is made through dairy processing, blending, and controlled packaging. After packaging, mac and cheese moves through warehouses, stores, and kitchens. Soil testing helps farmers plan wheat planting and nutrition. Clean seed wheat supports an even crop stand. The seed drill places wheat seed at controlled depth and spacing. Planting places seed into soil where the wheat crop begins.
Small wheat shoots appear as the crop establishes. Farmers scout the crop to detect problems early.
Nutrients help wheat plants produce strong grain heads. Moisture monitoring helps farmers manage crop stress.
The wheat head fills with grain that will later become pasta flour.
Harvest timing depends on grain maturity and moisture. Harvest equipment is checked before entering the wheat field. The combine cuts wheat and separates grain from straw. Harvested grain is transferred from the combine into grain carts.
Bulk trucks carry wheat from the field to grain storage. At the elevator, wheat enters storage and cleaning systems.
Cleaning removes light debris before the grain enters storage. Clean wheat is stored in silos until the mill needs it. The mill samples wheat before turning it into flour. Conditioning prepares the wheat kernel for efficient milling. Roller mills break the wheat kernel into usable milling fractions.
Sifting separates the milled wheat into different particle sizes.
The pasta-grade ingredient is stored before it moves to the macaroni line.
Precise dosing keeps pasta dough consistent. Water hydrates the flour into a firm pasta dough. Vacuum mixing helps create smoother pasta with fewer air pockets. The die determines the shape of the macaroni. The extruder shapes the dough into curved elbow macaroni.
Fresh macaroni is spread evenly before entering the dryer.
Pre-drying sets the pasta surface before deeper drying.
Drying removes moisture so macaroni can be stored safely. After drying, Macaroni cools before inspection. Optical sorting removes broken or discolored pasta pieces. Approved macaroni waits in clean bins before final assembly.
The cheese part of mac and cheese starts with dairy farm management.
Balanced feed helps cows produce milk consistently.
Cow comfort and cleanliness support milk quality.
Milking equipment is cleaned and checked before use.
Milk travels through closed lines from the parlor to the cooling tank. Cooling begins quickly to protect milk quality.
Insulated tankers carry cooled milk from farms to dairy plants.
Every milk load is sampled before it enters the dairy plant. Lab testing verifies milk before it becomes dairy ingredients. Pasteurization uses controlled heat to prepare milk for dairy processing. Pasteurized milk enters cheese vats to begin cheese production. Cultures and enzymes help milk form curd.
Cutting the curd helps whey separate from the solids. Whey drains away, leaving curd that can be pressed or processed further.
Pressing shapes curd into cheese blocks.
Cheese blocks cool and stabilize before further processing.
Shredding increases surface area so cheese melts more evenly. Cheese sauce begins with measured dairy ingredients and seasonings.
Heat and mixing turn cheese into a smooth sauce base.
High shear mixing helps create a smoother cheese sauce.
Sauce texture must be smooth enough to coat macaroni evenly.
For boxed kits, dry cheese powder is blended separately.
Powder packets provide the cheese sauce base for boxed mac and cheese.
Some products use liquid cheese sauce pouches instead of powder.
Dry macaroni is weighed before entering each box.
Blank cartons are formed before pasta and sauce packets are inserted.
Measured macaroni fills each box.
Each box receives a cheese sauce packet.
Box is closed after macaroni and sauce components are inside.
Ready meal mac and cheese uses cooked macaroni before tray filling.
Cooked macaroni is portioned into trays for ready meal products.
A measured amount of cheese sauce is deposited into each tray.
Gentle mixing helps sauce coat the macaroni evenly.
Some ready meal versions add a light topping before sealing.
Sealing protects the tray during storage and distribution.
Checkweighing confirms each tray has the correct portion. Metal detection is one of the final checks before packing. Frozen ready meal trays enter a tunnel freezer for cold storage. Frozen trays leave the freezer ready for cold chain distribution. Shelf-stable boxed kits are packed into shipping cartons.
Frozen ready meal trays are packed for refrigerated logistics.
Carton sealing prepares the products for warehouse handling. Palletizing turns many cartons into one movable warehouse load.
Stretch wrapping keeps cartons stable during storage and transport.
Shelf-stable boxed kits move into dry warehouse storage.
Frozen mac and cheese trays stay in freezer warehouses. Scanning connects every pallet to its product batch and route.
Orders are picked and staged for grocery distribution.
Dry trucks carry boxed kits to grocery warehouses and stores.
Frozen trays require refrigerated trailers for cold chain delivery.
Boxed and frozen formats move through different distribution routes.
Shelf-stable mac and cheese reaches grocery aisles.
Frozen trays are stocked in grocery freezer cases.
At home, boxed kits are cooked with water, milk, butter, and the cheese packet.
Frozen trays are heated until the sauce and pasta are ready to serve.
Stirring coats the macaroni evenly with cheese sauce.
The production chain ends as a warm family dinner. Quality control follows mac and cheese from field, farm, and factory to the final package.
Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what full AZ process we should explore next.
Wheat quality is checked before the grain becomes pasta flour.
Milling separates wheat into the ingredient used for macaroni.
Macaroni quality depends on dough, shape, drying, and inspection. Milk quality is protected through cooling, testing, and pasteurization.
Cheese production turns milk into dairy solids used for sauce. Sauce quality depends on ingredient measurement, texture, and sealing. Final packaging checks protect portion, safety, and package integrity.
Mills use dust control and cleaning to keep the process safe.
Pasta dies and mixers are cleaned to prevent buildup.
Dairy equipment is cleaned through controlled, closed cleaning systems.
Cheese sauce equipment must be cleaned carefully because dairy residues cling to surfaces.
Packaging areas are cleaned before the next production shift.
Wheat quality affects the structure and color of macaroni.
Drying controls moisture so pasta can store and cook properly.
Elbow macaroni holds sauce inside curves and hollow centers. Milk testing protects the dairy ingredients used in cheese sauce.
Cheese sauce needs a formula that melts smoothly and coats pasta.
Powder packets allow boxed kits to remain shelf-stable until cooked. Liquid sauce pouches offer a different texture and preparation style.
Frozen trays keep cooked mac and cheese stable until reheating.
Mac and cheese can be shelf-stable, refrigerated, or frozen, depending on its format.
Stage 1 grows and harvests wheat for pasta. Stage 2 cleans and mills wheat into pasta ingredients. Stage 3 turns flour and water into dry elbow macaroni. Stage 4 produces and cools milk for cheese ingredients.
Stage 5 tests and pasteurizes milk before cheese making.
Stage 6 turns milk into cheese for sauce production.
Stage 7 creates the cheese sauce component.
Stage 8 can also make dry cheese powder packets. Stage 9 assembles dry macaroni and sauce packets into boxed kits.
Stage 10 creates frozen ready meal trays.
Stage 11 checks and cases products for shipment. Stage 12 sends shelf-stable and frozen products through different supply chains. Stage 13 brings mac and cheese to shelves, freezers, and family kitchens.
The seed drill places wheat seed into soil at controlled depth.
The combine cuts, threshes, and separates wheat grain. Roller mills break wheat gradually into usable flour fractions. Sifters separate fine flour from larger particles. The die and cutter create the elbow macaroni shape.
Dryers remove moisture slowly to protect pasta quality.
Pasteurizers heat and cool milk in a controlled food safety step.
Cheese vats turn milk into curd and whey.
Shredded cheese melts more evenly in sauce kettles.
The kettle uses controlled heat and mixing to build the sauce.
Ribbon blenders distribute dry cheese powder ingredients evenly.
Packet fillers create the sauce component for mac and cheese kits.
The box line combines pasta and sauce into a single kit.
Ready meal lines portion cooked pasta and sauce directly into trays.
Dry boxed kits store pasta and sauce powder separately until cooking.
Frozen trays contain cooked mac and cheese ready for reheating.
Shelf-stable boxes and frozen trays require different distribution systems.
Grocery stores display boxed and frozen mac and cheese in different areas.
The macaroni journey begins with wheat harvest. Clean wheat is stored before milling.
Milling turns wheat into pasta-grade flour.
Flour and water become firm pasta dough. The extruder creates the classic elbow shape. Drying makes macaroni stable for packing and cooking. The cheese sauce journey begins with milk.
Milk is tested before entering dairy processing.
Milk becomes curd, the foundation of cheese. Curd is pressed into cheese blocks for further processing. Shredding prepares cheese for smooth melting. The sauce kettle blends cheese into a smooth sauce. Sauce texture is checked before filling. Dry packets make shelf-stable boxed kits possible.
Liquid pouches provide another way to package cheese sauce.
Macaroni is weighed before each box is filled. Blank cartons are formed for kit assembly.
The box receives macaroni and a sauce packet. The boxed kit is sealed for shelf-stable distribution. Ready meal trays start with cooked macaroni.
Cooked macaroni and sauce are portioned into trays.
Sealing protects the ready meal during storage. Frozen trays move through a tunnel freezer. Final checks happen before products enter cartons. Shipping cartons prepare products for warehouse handling.
Pallets organize cartons for efficient storage.
Shelf-stable boxed kits move into dry storage.
Frozen trays require cold storage.
Different product formats travel through different delivery systems.
Boxed mac and cheese reaches grocery shelves. Frozen mac and cheese trays reach freezer cases.
At home, the boxed kit becomes a hot meal.
Frozen trays are reheated for a faster dinner.
The long production chain ends as a comforting family dinner.
Wheat becomes the base of macaroni. Macaroni is engineered through mixing, extrusion, and drying. Milk becomes the foundation of the cheese component.
cheese is made, cooled, and prepared for sauce production.
Sauce texture is built through heat, mixing, and controlled filling.
Dry packets keep boxed mac and cheese shelf-stable.
The boxed kit combines pasta and sauce in one package.
Frozen trays are another way to deliver mac and cheese. Warehouses keep products organized before delivery.
The final products move from stores to family kitchens.
From wheat fields and dairy farms to pasta, cheese sauce, packaging, stores, and dinner tables, this is the complete mac and cheese process.